Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a very simple raita recipe. It's tomato raita. So let's begin with the process. I'm taking a mixing bowl. Here I have 2 green chilies that I will finely chop. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chilies based on your spice level. I am also taking 1/2 of a medium sized onion and will chop that as well. Taking 2 tomatoes, will remove the seeds and chop them as well. Adding 2 spoons of finely chopped coriander, plain curd as needed, salt as per taste, pinch of black pepper powder, pinch of dried mango powder or amchur powder, and mix well. Now I will prepare a very simple tempering. Taking a spoon of mustard oil, adding some mustard seeds and cumin seeds in the oil. Once tempering is ready, pour that over the raita. And here we have this colorful tomato raita all ready. Give this a mix before serving and we are all done. That was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.